Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your front wheel on your Bilt Bronco or Bilt Pony, as they both have the same specifications guys, and this may go for a wide variety of lawn tractors guys. So first thing we'll need to do is jack up our lawnmower so we can get it off the ground and we'll be able to remove the wheel. Then we'll also need to remove that cotter pin and the washer so we can get the tire off guys. Now we can go ahead and set our jack under whatever side of the mower we're working on, and we're working on the right side guys, the left side, so we'll jack up the left side. Now we're jacked up off the floor guys. I'll just use my needle nose to straighten out this cotter pin. Okay guys, so now we got the cotter pin out. We'll just remove our washer and put that aside, and now we can just slide our tire off. Okay guys, so now we got the old tire off. We will definitely keep this rim so that we can just replace the tire, and whenever we have a tire go out we can just throw on this new rim or whichever way guys. So we'll always have a spare rim. So you might just want to put some grease on here guys, and then we can reinstall our new tire and wheel assembly. There is a grease fitting on the rear of the tire guys, which allows you to use your grease gun to grease the axle here, so I'll show you that in a sec. So that's well greased up guys. So now we can just get our new tire. So we just wanna, here is the grease fitting that I was mentioning before. So that allows you to grease your wheel axle whenever you feel it getting a bit, oh, we might need to jack up a bit more guys. So that will allow you to lubricate your wheels whenever you feel them running a bit rough or you just are lubricating guys. So we'll just slide the new wheel back on, get our washer back on guys, and we'll get a cotter pin to go back through here to hold the wheel in place. So here's my cotter pin guys. I'm just going to trim that down a bit. And so we can just go ahead now and get that back through the hole provided. And then we can just bend our cotter pin guys like that so it doesn't fall out. So that's how you replace your wheel on your Bilt Bronco or your Bilt Pony guys, and this goes for a wide variety of lawn tractors. Please check your specs so you know exactly what you will need. Thanks again for watching guys. God bless. Y'all have a great day.